Hi, this is day 3 of our 22 Days to Earth Day celebration, and we've chosen to build a birdhouse for wrens and other small birds. I searched on the internet and found these plans. It's called 90-degree roof birdhouse. And you can do that too, and it'll give you very specific directions on how to build your birdhouse. Now, on these plans, there's a cut to dimension chart. So what you do is you take a 1 inch by 6 foot board and you cut it according to these dimensions to make your birdhouse. Now we found that there were some errors in some of these dimensions, which I'll go over as I show you each of the pieces of the birdhouse. This is the roof. The roof is made by 2 7.5 inch pieces to create the roof, like that. Then we have the bottom piece, and the bottom piece is 4 3/4 of an inch long from our piece of wood. Then we have the 2 side pieces, and they're each 8 inches long. And then we have the back. The back is 10 inches long, and then I cut a 45-degree angle from the center to create my roof line. And you can do that using a simple square and just line it up and mark your 45-degree angle. Then we have the front, which is made just like the back, except we took a notch out. And to make that notch, I used the back as my pattern, and I set it here, and I drew a line around it, and then I just used a coping saw and cut that little notch out. And that's what the little bird will go in and out with. We'll be right back after I put this together and show you what the finished birdhouse looks like. Okay, hi, we're back, and we've got our partially assembled wren or small birdhouse. And I put it together with 3D nails. 3D nails, and they're 1 3/4 inches long. Small finishing nails so it doesn't split your wood, and it puts it together securely. So right now I've got both sides, the front and the back, together, and now we'll finish off by putting the roof together. And it's very easy. You just want to line up the pieces, right? Just like so, and nail it together. Just like so. And then we'll just mount that roof right back here on top of our birdhouse. And there we've got it. Now when you're all finished, you can use paint and decorate it and make a pretty ornament for inside your house if you choose not to use it for birds. But please put it outside. The birdies will like it, especially for Earth Day. Thanks, and come back to our nature workshop soon.
Okay, now that we've assembled our birdhouse, we're ready to prepare it for outside. Now this birdhouse is made of wood, so it's important to put a very good exterior primer on first. So that's going to be step 2.
Oh wow, hey, this turned out really good. Now all we got to do is find a place to put it in a tree so a nice little bird can move in and have a good little house. I hear them singing out there already. We could put eye hooks on either end and a string and hang it, or we could put it in the Y of the tree, or we could stick it on a pole if we wanted to. Anyway, Kathy did a great job painting it, don't you think so? I do.